Hello everyone. Today's topic is write a program to check whether the entered character is an alphabet, numeric, or you can say that special symbol. Okay. So basically, first of all, we are going to ask user that you enter one character. Okay, and then based on user input, we are going to display that it is alphabet or numeric or special symbol. Special symbol means hashtag sign or dollar sign or ampersand sign, at the rate sign, etc. Okay, so first of all, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. That is the two header files. After that, void main function, open the bracket. So now here for this program we are using only one variable with the data type character actually. So name of the variable is character, but the data type also char, that is the short form actually, char, and the full form is also character only. Okay. Now printf enter any character. So here we are asking user that you enter any character. Okay, anything. Like for example, user has entered 1 minute. User has entered, for example, A. For example only. Okay. So now what will happen if your character is greater than equal to 0, whatever you have entered, if it is value is 0 and character is less than equal to 9, which means if you enter anything between 0 to 9, okay, then printf enter the character is what? Digit. It means what? It is number, digit. It will print that. But right now in our case, what we have entered is small a. Okay, so obviously as per this thing, this condition is false. Okay, so it will jump to else if part. In else if, we have character greater than equal to capital A and character less than equal to capital Z, this thing. Okay, which means if your character is greater than equal to capital A or character less than equal to capital Z, in between of these two, okay, and after this one part, this full one part, we have two lines, that is nothing but or condition, or. Okay, so this is one part, then or condition, and this is your second part, this thing, or character is greater than equal to small a and character less than equal to small z. So when it comes to or clause, which means if your any one part, if any one part is true, then condition is true. So here this first part is false, but the second part is true because we have entered small a. So what I said about or clause, that if any one condition out of two condition, okay, or out of three also, right now only two conditions are there. So if any one condition out of two condition is true, then we can say condition is true and it will go inside of this else if statement. So inside the else if, what we have is printf entered character is what? Alphabet. So obviously it will print this message as it is on your output screen. But for example, if this condition is also false, okay, for example, user has entered, for example, at the rate sign or something like that, okay, then in that case it will jump to else part, and in the else part it will print entered character is what? Special character. So it is not the digit, not the alphabet also, but it is what? Special character. So here we have the sample output also, like if you execute this program first time, okay, for example, like enter any character, and if you enter 7, so obviously it will print enter character is what? Digit. Like for example, if you enter or if you, sorry, not enter, but if you execute this program one more time, so again like enter any character, and if you enter for example small j, okay, so it will display it is what? Alphabet. But third time, okay, if you execute same program like enter any character, and that time if you enter like at the rate sign, so it will print what? Entered character is what? Special character. So this program is all about to display that whatever character you have entered is digit, alphabet, or it is what? Special character. So thank you all.